gentlemen, welcome to What's Cooking with Headmaster. I am Pari Thakral, the school captain, and we have with us the Prefectorial Body 23-24. Let's see what's cooking at Headmaster's recipe. So here we have all the ingredients, and here's the head chef. Chef, what are we cooking today?
So we are doing a nice Tibetan menu. We have momos, we have chicken and veg thukpa, and then for the main course we will have some butter chicken and butter paneer with some rice and nice chapatis, which I'm hoping that you want to make sure that at least become round, if not flat.
That sounds delicious. Let's hope we can make that. Would you like to introduce us to the ingredients?
So we have turmeric here, coriander, red chili, some salt, sauteed some mix of masalas, tomato, some mushroom, some carrot, some peas, some onions, some chilies, garlic paste. We have some spring onions and some cabbage, and of course we have all the sauces and oil. We also have the noodles, which we have already done before. So now we have to make a nice broth, both chicken and veg, with some garlic and some vegetable pieces in it. I hope it turns out to be something edible.
Thank you, chef. So this is our group who will be cooking today. How do you feel, sir? Have you ever cooked before? What have you made? No? So you're still confident? You're just here to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, we do need people like these. And what are you preparing, sir?
I don't know.
Have you ever made something?
Maggie.
Maggie, okay. That is like some qualified chef. Sir, what have you made?
Preparing rotis and all.
Rotis. I hope you make circular ones. And you, sir? Roti and whatever is told to him. Sir, what will you make?
I make butter paneer for you.
Butter paneer. Non-vegetarian making butter paneer for us. Let's see how that goes. And here we have you. So what will you be preparing for us? He is still clueless. Never mind. The oil is hot. The water is
Okay. Don't worry. It will come out well. As long as we are able to eat.
You're all supervised by the head chef, so I think we're probably safe.
Can we have this chicken piece of fish? Thank you.
That sounds satisfying. The determination here, oh my god.
In fact, last time Sahil was in the kitchen, he drank half a bottle of vinegar.
Oh god. We are adding salt, which is the riskiest thing because too much of it can spoil the food and the food. While the working people are working there, these chefs decided to eat first before they make food for others. So thoughtful of you guys. Does it, chef? Okay, so the head chef is telling me how to cook. And here is my food. This is all vegetarian. Veggies here. Children, you should eat more veg. That is what we're promoting today.
So we are now on the main course. We are making Shahi Murga. You can see chicken which is already here. We have some
No marination.
onions. And we have all the ingredients here. First we're going to put some oil.
That's when you put something in the
This head chef is happy putting oil.
And we will put
Onions.
onion on fry till it turns bit brown.
That is fine. Giving it a stir.
should we
These are the useless chefs here, and these are the hardworking ones. These are the chicken pieces we have. So you can see we have a leg piece, breast pieces, and that's a wing.
Yeah, please go ahead. It has to turn a bit brown. Okay?
golden keep stirring?
A golden brown, okay. You're supposed to stir it. So
it
doesn't get
anti-clockwise. Constantly stir them and they won't get
huh?
If you don't constantly stir it, it will get
You have to stir them, otherwise they'll get
Exactly. Otherwise,
They'll get
we
black.
won't get brown. We would get black color.
They will burn otherwise.
Dark
You have
black.
to stir them.
Can we please change the chef?
Hey, like
Spices.
We're adding some turmeric.
stir and
You can see the color.
A bit of coriander. There's some red chilies. There's some ginger garlic paste.
You can listen to the sizzling happening.
And we'll just keep stirring it now.
We're having bottle flip here.
Okay, yeah, you know, one line here.
Termination.
Add some chicken in it. Fry it.
thank you.
So we're doing the garnishing now. See, we've already started with the meal. How do you like it? Oh my god, it's that good, okay, I get it. What are your reviews?
Splendid, exquisite.
You said the same things for the starters as well. Okay, best chicken.
Blows my mind.
So you liked it as well. What are your reviews?
Tomatoes and onions are a bit burnt, but at last it's delicious.
Nice. How do you like it?
It's great.
Great. Do we have any vegetarians here? How was the paneer? It was nice. It's because we did not make it. What are your reviews about the tuppa?
Splendid, marvelous, excellent. One word answer.
No one-word answers, please.
Very soupy.
Soupy. You, sir.
Delicious. Delicious.
Ma'am, how did you like? How did you? Have you ever tried it before? Would you like to try it again?